Okay, this is our sanding lane for the veneer laminated board. Okay, this is the top sander. Another one is a bottom face sander. Okay, we can take a look on the machine. Firstly, is a PLC touch screen controller. Middle connection conveyor, roller conveyor. This is a bottom face sander. Okay, the conveyor is a vacuum suction table. Okay, now we will check the sanding roller. You can check here. The first one is a sanding roller, is with a rubber wheel, and this one is a cross sanding belt. The middle sanding belt is a cross type. The last one is a sanding type. Okay, we can see here for the fan finishing. Okay. The other one is the same structure with 3 sanding heads.